Today I am reviewing the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful mini PC that can handle gaming, productivity, and multimedia without taking up much space, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC is a standout option. Despite its small footprint, this mini computer packs impressive performance, connectivity, and versatility, making it ideal for home, office, or even light gaming setups. At the heart of this mini PC is the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with a base clock of 2.7 GHz and a maximum boost of 4.7 GHz. This CPU handles heavy multitasking with ease, allowing you to run multiple applications, browsers, and software like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, AI tools, or Office Productivity Suite simultaneously without slowdown. For gamers, it can handle titles like CS, Go, GTA 5, or Fall Guys with smooth performance, making it versatile for both work and play. The system comes equipped with 24GB LPDDR5 RAM and a 500GB M.2 NVMe SSD, providing fast data transfer speeds up to 6,400 metric tons per second. This combination ensures that applications launch quickly, files load seamlessly, and system responsiveness remains high even under demanding workloads. For users needing extra storage, the mini PC supports expansion up to 4 TB with a 2.5-inch SSD, and dual M.2 slots can reach up to 8 TB, giving you the flexibility to grow your storage as needed. Visual performance is another strong point. The SER5 MAX supports triple 4K screen displays via HDMI, DisplayPort 1.4, and Type-C connections. Combined with the AMD Radeon Graphics 8-core, 2000 MHz, this mini PC delivers sharp, vibrant visuals perfect for productivity, multimedia editing, and even casual gaming. Having 3 monitors connected simultaneously can dramatically improve workflow, letting you multitask efficiently, whether for office tasks, video editing, or monitoring multiple applications at once. Connectivity and network speed are excellent. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax ensures fast, stable wireless connections without lag or congestion, while Bluetooth 5.2 allows you to connect wireless peripherals like headphones, keyboards, and mice with low latency. Ports are plentiful, including HDMI, DP, Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 2.0, RJ45 2.5G Ethernet, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The package even includes a wall mount bracket, so you can attach the mini PC behind a monitor or on a wall, saving desk space and keeping your setup clean and organized. In addition to performance and connectivity, the Beelink SER5 MAX also offers user-friendly features like Auto Power On and Wake on LAN, WOL, making it flexible for office automation or home media setups. It's a mini PC that delivers desktop-level performance in a tiny form factor, capable of handling work, entertainment, and light gaming simultaneously. Overall, the Beelink SER5 MAX Mini PC is a powerful, compact, and versatile solution for anyone seeking high performance without a full-size desktop. Its combination of AMD Ryzen 7 6800U CPU, 24GB LPDDR5 RAM, 500GB NVMe SSD, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6, and multiple ports makes it perfect for gaming, productivity, and multimedia tasks. Whether you're looking for a home office computer, a professional workstation, or a space-saving gaming PC, the Beelink SER5 MAX offers exceptional performance and flexibility in a sleek, compact package.